Write an equation of a line given these characteristics. So it's going to pass through these 2 points. Well, to write the equation of any line, we need y is going to be equal to m, which is the slope, x plus the y-intercept of b. Okay, so these are the 2 things we need, m, which is the slope, and b, which is the y-intercept, and it does not look like we have it. So there's many ways to do this, but I recommend making a chart. Okay, the chart will allow you to visualize the parts for it. So let me make the chart here. All right, a lot of you like the chart, so I'm going to use the chart method here. You could also plot the points, so up to you. All right. This looks like a really good chart, so let me copy this because I think I might have to use it for the other one. Okay, all right, so let's see here. Let's fill in the values for the chart. This is x and this is y. Those are what the columns represent. All right. And so the x is -3, the y is 1, the other points. So this is x and y. This is x and y. So this is -4, comma 0. I just put the point in each row. Okay. So let's find delta x and delta y. Okay. So here, this is the change of y, which is 1 to 0. You are going to -1. Then from delta x is from -3 to -1, you -1, right? So the slope, which is m, okay, the m is equal to delta y over delta x. All right, okay? So we are going to now plug it in. Okay, because that is the equation. The slope is m is equal to delta y over delta x. So m is equal to -1 divided by -1. That does simplify to just the number 1. So slope is just 1. The y-intercept, well, this is very hard to get, right? Because it looks like we would have to extend the chart a little bit more. Okay. So like, for example, let me move the chart down. Okay, maybe we can get a couple of more pieces here of the chart. Okay, so here, so here, you know what? Let me grab this piece. Okay, so the next part would be, so if we keep, let's go backwards, right? So this becomes -2. So this becomes 2, right? And we just keep going backwards. -1, this would be a 3. Okay, then let's do that again. I think we should have now, yes, it goes back to 0. And this becomes 4. Perfect, right? We just use the chart to get the y-intercept, okay? There you go. Another way you can do it is using the equation y is equal to mx plus b. Okay, so y, again, I'm just going to use this one. Y is 1, m is 1, and x is -3 plus b. All right, 1 is equal to 1 times -3, which is -3 plus b. To get b alone, you add 3 to both sides. This cancels. 1 plus 3 is 4. You see? Same way of getting the y-intercept, right? So what is the equation? The equation here would be y is equal to 1x plus the y-intercept of a 4. So y is equal to 1x plus 4. There you go. Okay. B, you can use a chart and do it that way, but this time I'm just going to visually show it. Okay. So you need m and you need the b. The b is easy. Look, it's right here. B equals to 1. That's where it crosses the y-axis. Okay. We just need to find the slope. So it goes from this point to this point. You go in 1, 2. So delta y is equal to -2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Delta x is equal to 4. So delta y over delta x is the formula. -2 over 4, which simplifies to just -1/2. So the equation would be y is equal to -1/2 x plus the y-intercept of +1. That would be the equation, right? There you go. These problems are harder because you have to calculate the slope somehow and you have to find the y-intercept somehow, okay? It requires multiple calculations.